Hey everybody, what's up? It's been a while since I've posted a video or made a video, whatever. But today I just want to do a real quick video on some of my vegan favorites and things that I think is easy, or not easy, but tastes good for people trying to transition from a normal diet into a vegan diet. Let's get started. Alright, first up, let's say we have these here. Boca protein, veggie protein patties. I eat these, I don't know, I won't say a lot, but they're really good, one of my favorites. And on top I like to use this spread here, Chipotle mayo. It has a little kick to it, little spice, so if you like spiciness, add that on and you're good. Nutritional yeast. We add this onto our tofu and make like tofu scrambled, and it makes it taste like almost like eating scrambled eggs. Oh, back to the Boca burgers. This is another one of my favorites. Spicy chicken. Obviously spicy, has a little kick. So yeah, this one was just the original. Here we have some coconut oil. I'm sure a lot of you know about coconut oil, but this is good for, you know, when you want to fry something up real quick, or put a little bit in the pan and just, you know, make a, whatever, stir fry, tofu, different things, whatever. Here we have some coconut aminos, which is like a soy sauce alternative. For vegans, this is really good. We use this a lot in many different things, rice, again, tofu, but yeah, soy sauce alternative, really good. Just try it out. Coffee creamer. This is probably our favorite, I would say. Favorite flavor, caramel, and favorite company, favorite brand. Good stuff if you drink coffee. Don't go nuts. Nut free. As you can see, school safe, gluten free, organic, vegan. Chocolate spread. This is mainly for the kids. I eat this once in a while, but again, mainly for the kids, for school. This is a yogurt here that I prefer. Made with almonds. Good alternative, you know, to your yogurt. Here's another yogurt alternative, coconut milk, so delicious. Dairy free. This is meatless meatballs. Trader Joe's, one of our favorites. Tastes really good. So if you love meatballs as much as I do, try out Trader Joe's. Earth Balance butter spread, vegan, non-GMO. This is really good too. I mean, obviously, you know, which you can use butter for, so I don't need to go all into that, but good alternative substitute. Hot dogs, meatless hot dogs. It's made with soy protein, 13 grams of protein, so decent amount of protein. Tastes just like normal hot dogs, so just check that out. Also, here we have some vegetable fried rice. This is one of our favorite rices. I hate lima beans, which is in this rice, but it's not many, and you know, when you fry it up, throw some of that coconut aminos in there, you can hardly taste it. So Trader Joe's, another favorite. Some organic brown rice, healthy, good stuff. You know what rice is. For those of you that like ice cream, here we have some non-dairy Oreo flavor ice cream from Breyers. This is good stuff, tastes like normal ice cream. There's another flavor, I think it's peanut butter. Yeah, peanut butter flavored by Breyers also, that's good. A little expensive, but it is worth it if you know you're vegan and you want some ice cream. This is one of my favorite things to eat as a vegan. As you can see, Beyond Meat, plant-based burger patties, 20 grams of protein, good amount of protein. These are a little pricey also, but it's so worth it. I could eat these probably every day. And last but not least, we have some agave, which you can put in like oatmeal, you can put in tea, whatever you want to sweeten up, you know, and use instead of honey. So yeah, good stuff also. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, try everything out. Try it out if you're you know, thinking about going vegan, and let me know what you think. So as always, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Hopefully it doesn't take as long for me to put another one out. Peace.